through the silence and the rest. I heard every word you said, echoing in my mind. Don't ever pretend to be sad, unapologetically I'll find. To the end, don't bother standing in my way. Even my name, even my world's apart today. The earth is crying out for the sons and daughters. Let them in, ride the turbulence of the waters. Was it not true? He struck the water with the rod. Approach the altar, finding grace in the facade. Be thankful for what you got, through the struggle and the fire. Strike the rock and create the flames that lift us ever higher. They don't give a damn what we say, so let them put our heads in chains, we'll find our way. The earth is crying out for the sons and daughters. Let them in, ride the turbulence of the waters. In the dark we'll light the way, together we'll rise, come what may. With every step we'll break these chains, unapologetic hearts will dance in the rain. To the end, don't bother standing in my way. Even my name, even my world's apart today. The earth is crying out for the sons and daughters. Let them in, ride the turbulence of the waters. In the dark we'll light the way, together we'll rise, come what may. With every step we'll break these chains, unapologetic hearts will dance in the rain. To the rain, to the end, don't bother